Hello guys, welcome back to our series on commonly asked programming questions. So today we are going to see our next question, that is program to delete duplicate element from array. So guys, let's see. So basically we are given an array which contains duplicate values. So our task is to remove that duplicate values and print the unique array. Okay. So here you can see that suppose in an example we are given as 10, 20, 10, 100, 10, 2, 1, 5, 10 as an array. So what we have to do is we have to remove the duplicate, like 10 occurs twice, right? So we have to print it once only. So we have to remove the duplicate element. So this is our task. So guys, let's see. Here you can find the algorithm, but I think it is better to explain with the help of code. So here you can find the code in various programming languages like C, C++, Java, Python, C Sharp, PHP. So I will share the link to this article in the description section, so you can go and directly check the code. So here I am explaining code in C programming. So let me copy the code in online compiler. So here is our code. So here is our array, right? Array of size 10, right? So we have defined size as a 10, right? And some variables we have defined for our operation, right? So now what we are going to do is we have to check the duplicacy, right? So what we will do, we will pick the first element in an array and then we'll check with the other all elements in an array, right? So suppose we have started from 0, we have picked the first element from an array. Then what we are doing, we are checking with the rest of array, right? If starting element is 0, then 0 plus, from first we are checking all the elements, right? Okay, so in that, if we found that ARR of I equal to ARR of J, means both the elements are equals. Suppose we have started scanning from 10, right? So initially I equal to 0, so we are getting array of 0 is 10, right? Then we are starting checking with I plus 1, that is from here we are checking, right? So first we check with 20, we didn't find 10, we didn't find 1, we didn't, yeah, 10 we find, right? So 10 is we have find that there is element which is duplicate, right? So this condition will be true, right? And after that what we are doing, we are deleting the current duplicate element. So what we are doing, we are reducing the size of an array by 1. Suppose here we get 10, right? So what we are doing, we are overlapping, that is we are moving the forward. That means the elements which are away from that, we are minus subtracting the index, right? Suppose we are having 10 here, so what we will do, we will remove this by overlapping it with 1, right? So what we will do, we will iterate, and what we will do, we will swap k plus 1th element, we will transfer k plus 1th element into array of k, that is 1 is transferred to 10, 100 is swapped with and transferred with 1, 10 with 100, 2 with 10, 1 with 2. That means we are uh, moving ahead one position, right? Backward, in backward direction, right? So here, so in that sense 10 will be removed, right? And what our array size will be reduced by 1, right? So moving from this in this way we are removing 10, right? So in this sense, for that purpose we are using this looping, right? So from starting from kth, that is 10th, we have to remove. Okay, so 10th, array of 10 equal to array of k plus 1, that is array of 4, that is array of 1, right? Array of, that is j value is, right, at here j value is 0 1 2, so array of 2 will be equal to array of 3, right? So in this sense we are deleting, overlapping the values and reducing the size by 1, right? So size minus minus, as you can see, we have deleted the one element, so we have to reduce the size, right? Size minus 1 up. Now what we are doing, we are reducing the jth element, right? Now 10 is removed, so our j should not be increment, right? J is at 2, right? So if 10 is deleted, now at the second place, say index second, what new value is 1, so we need to check with that also. So for that purpose, at that time we are not incrementing j, so what we are doing, we are doing j minus minus, right? So in that sense, when it move to the looping control, it will j plus plus will be negate, like j plus plus and j minus minus, so index will be the same as 2, right? So for that purpose we are using j minus minus. So in this sense we are deleting the element. After that what we are doing, we are just printing the our array element. Okay, so once we execute this code, you can find that array elements are 10 20 100 2 and 5. 10 20, that 10 is deleted, 100, 10 is deleted, 2, 1 is repeated, so 1 is deleted, 5, right? 100 occurs twice, so 100 is deleted. So this is our array after deletion, okay, of duplicate elements. So this is our code. I hope you understand the code. If you have any issue, you can mention that in a comment section. Thanks a lot.